Yeah.
I bet you somebody flagged into someone here.
Alright. And then the only other thing is get like 500 meters away from the airfield and then we're gonna turn back. Like go like 500 meters in a direction and then turn around and then walk
No, just
back.
because around the airfield. Like around in a circle.
Yeah, we are. But we're gonna give each other like a good start. So just once everyone's taken off, we'll turn back.
Wait. That was a car.
Focus, stop worrying about cars. Focus on helis right now.
Could you imagine I have like 8 helicopters shooting at
Alright, so is everyone up in the air then?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm by postmortem space.
Alright, we can go then. Just shoot the helicopters.
Alright, so we're starting?
Yeah, we're starting. That's gonna be crazy. There's gonna be so many people crashing into each other.
Yeah, don't crash.
Oh, there's
Made like a wrecking ball. Oh god, pull up.
Oh, man, you guys are so high. I feel like stupid. I'm all the way at like 80 altitude. Oh, there goes 2 of them.
Oh, snap.
That's
Wait,
2
that
down
a
already.
crash?
Yeah, they crashed.
That's like 4 down.
Oh my god, that guy was crashing into me.
Using grenades and shit.
Oh, why is everyone shooting at me? I just got shot at by 3 different people.
Oh my god!
Might have been me.
I can't stop.
No.
That was so lame.
I turned away. Why did you turn? Playing chicken with.
Oh my god. But who is it that's down already? It's Post and Draco?
Oh, someone
Yeah.
crashed. That is close into me.
Oh, that decent.
Wow.
Nate was flying,
Yeah.
I was his co-pilot.
Oh shit.
Two
don't-
after me.
And I could.
I see you, Penguin. I'm coming to help you. Except I got someone on me, too.
Oh, one is smoking.
Oh, that's not me.
Not me.
Someone is
God,
going
I'm
down.
lagging the crap.
Yeah, I am
it's
too.
yellow shade for me.
The
There are
orange
grenades everywhere.
Oh my god, the desync.
Oh my god.
Oh,
no. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh,
I just
someone
dodged
help me.
both of
What the fuck?
Who hit me for Jescarn? Was that you?
Yeah, probably. I was trying to buy him, and you died too.
Someone ran me, then I ran someone else.
Like, was that like what 2 minutes of fun?
We can do it again.
There's still 2 of us.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You guys want to do it again?
I'm on.
I'll pay for it if it does. I don't care. I think I'm gonna record it next time.
Yeah, dude, fuck.
I've recorded this.
Who said
Yeah, I
that?
recorded also.
Oh, you guys recorded it? Nice. You should post on the forums.
There should be like an admin event one time.
Yeah, everyone in Pooks.
Nah, I'd get Venoms or Blackbirds or Blackhawks. Easier to hit people. They click attack on your screen and you're ready to go.
I want to get to my body.
So who's still alive right now?
Me.
Edie and who else?
Red Penguin.
Penguin, that's it?
Speedy is out the hover, out the repair.
Wait, there is a car. We should kill it.
No, just ram Speedy.
Yeah, just ram speed.
Yeah,
Go.
Yeah.
What?
Ram him. Nice problem.
Don't ram me.
Did anyone even get shot down, or did we all just hit each other?
Well, they hit each other, I think. Fuck, it's so hard to hit.
It's so much. Yeah, it's hard to hit people, but it's easier to crash into them.
Easier if you had like venoms.
No, I'm back at for shooting.
Yeah, so
I see
No, I
the
got a car right
helicopters.
here though.
Oh shit.
come pick me up, Joker.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
He lost control.
I'm up.
I can see you guys.
Like,
Oh, no,
do you
man,
know?
it's gonna be a-
Dude. Have I even hit you?
And it's
Someone
too late.
running with a gun through the radio.
Are you damaged at all, Speedy?
Below you, right?
No.
Are you damaged at all, Penguin?
Yeah, a bit. Oh no. No! My mouse stuck.
I'm getting shot at.
Oh,
My mouse got stuck.
Don't get shot. I'm gonna kill that guy with my. This
I'm not dead yet. I'm not
Reflexes.
dead.
Has
was killed.
a mouse
Wait,
with
did
a
you crash?
ball.
Did you crash, Penguin?
My mouse got stuck. I am the vector. I tried to jump off, but it was too late.
he crashed and the Reflexify died.
I'm not dead yet though.
Hey, the winner,
Speedy wins.
land here, please.
Shit.
So is there a winner?
Yeah, Speedy won.
Yep.
Best.
The only bell standing.
Oh.
Alright, now we go do it again.
Speedy pick us all up.
Yeah.
I'm not dead yet though.
Pick me up first, because I got all the money.
I'm not dead yet.
Later.
Fuck yeah. I'm alive.
Nate logged out.
Nice.